Hi, this is Dr. Ty from Premier Orthodontics. In this video, we're going to answer the question, can Invisalign fix deep bites? We'll go over different ways that we fix deep bites using Invisalign and show you actual before and after pictures of patients who had their deep bite corrected. So let's get started. So today we're talking all about deep bites, but as a reminder, we post braces and Invisalign related content on our channel every week. So if you're thinking about getting started with braces or Invisalign, make sure to subscribe to see more videos. So before we start talking about whether Invisalign can fix deep bites, let's first define what a deep bite is. So a deep bite, sometimes referred to as a deep overbite, refers to the top teeth excessively overlapping the bottom teeth. And this picture here is a good example. So you may be wondering what excessively overlapping means. Well, generally speaking, an ideal overbite is when the top teeth overlap the bottom teeth by about 2 millimeters. And this image is a good example of what an ideal overbite is. So anytime a bite overlaps by more than 2 millimeters, orthodontists consider that to be a deep bite or a deep overbite. And you may be curious why orthodontists consider deep bites such a problem. So the real problem with a deep overbite is that over time, a deep bite can damage the teeth. As you can see in this animation, if you have a deep bite, you will put excessive wear and tear on the front teeth. And this can lead to damage, chipping, and the need for expensive restorative dental treatments. Now, a deep bite is a common bite that orthodontists fix all the time with braces and Invisalign. So it's possible to fix with Invisalign, but how we choose to fix the overbite will depend on how severe the bite problem is. So if a patient only has a mild deep bite, the patient may be able to be treated with just standard Invisalign aligners without any additional attachments or appliances. The Invisalign aligners can be programmed to apply forces to the teeth, and they can intrude the front teeth and open the bite. For patients that have a more moderate to severe deep bite, we may need to use some additional appliances such as Invisalign bite ramps or even elastics. So the patient here is a good example of a patient with a moderate deep bite that would benefit from Invisalign bite ramps. Invisalign bite ramps are small triangle-shaped ramps that are placed on the Invisalign aligner behind the front teeth. And when the Invisalign aligners are worn, these bite ramps cause the back teeth to be separated by a small amount. And over time, the back teeth will gradually drift together. We'll show you in this animation how bite ramps work with braces, and the process with Invisalign is very similar. By placing bite ramps on the Invisalign aligners and allowing the back teeth to drift together, this is usually all that's needed to correct a moderate deep bite with Invisalign. These bite ramps are placed on the Invisalign aligners and generally will be on for the majority of the treatment. So with the patient we showed earlier, you can see that with the Invisalign aligners and the Invisalign bite ramps, we were able to correct her deep bite and align her teeth. The patient shown here is another Invisalign patient that would be considered more of a moderate to severe deep bite. But using just Invisalign and bite ramps, we were able to get her a fantastic result. So I would estimate that Invisalign can correct about 90% of all deep bites. But there are certain types of severe deep bites that may be better treated by using braces or some other type of orthodontic appliance. So the only way to know for certain if Invisalign would be the best option for you or your child is to have a consultation with an orthodontist. If you're living in the Phoenix, Arizona area, we would love to see you for a 100% free consultation. At this consultation appointment, we'll discuss the best way to fix your deep bite and answer any other questions you may have. If you have any questions about deep bites, feel free to ask them in the comment section below, and we'll do our best to answer. And if you found this information helpful, please give this video a like. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more Invisalign and braces related content, and make sure to tap that bell. Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon.